Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into some important updates about COVID-19 in Jamaica. It's like every time we try to move forward, something brings us back. Yes, COVID is on the rise again in Jamaica in 2023. So we're just going to talk about what to expect, what is actually happening, and where the cases are now as at July 2023. So if you're thinking of booking your flight, if you're thinking of visiting Jamaica, our beautiful island is ready to welcome you, but just be cautious because the COVID cases are going up. The Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, recently addressed the House of Representatives, urging Jamaicans to stay vigilant and keep following the COVID-19 prevention measures. Why? Well, it turns out that the country is seeing an increase in the positivity rate, and that is a cause for concern once again. Now, before you panic and cancel your vacation, Dr. Tufton assured us that the overall number of cases isn't skyrocketing, but the positivity rate is in fact going up. So over the past 4 weeks, Jamaica has been averaging around 87 confirmed cases with a 7-day positivity rate of 22%. So that means people are testing positive for the virus, and if this trend continues, it could lead to a higher number of cases, including more people ending up in hospitals, and we really don't want that. So as you know, because we are not new to this, it's crucial for those at risk to keep practicing good hygiene habits, which is washing your hands regularly, using hand sanitizers, and of course wearing your masks, because once you cover your mouth and nose, you're at a lower risk to contract COVID-19. So in terms of hospital admissions, the situation varies across different regions. The Southern Regional Health Authority is at 149% capacity, and the Western Regional Health Authority is at 94% capacity. The Southeast Regional Health Authority is at 68%, while the Northeast Regional Health Authority is at 63%. However, the Spanish Town Hospital and Kingston Public Hospitals are almost at maximum capacity, which is a cause for concern. As at July 10, 2023, Jamaica has reported a total of 155,455 confirmed cases and 3,586 related deaths. However, Dr. Tufton said that there is no need to have masks be mandatory, and the vulnerable groups would have to just take the precautions. I am bringing up the COVID-19 weekly updates for June 27 to July 3, and for the week the confirmed cases is 84 and females 50, males 34. For that same week the recoveries were 12 and the deaths were 15. The average positivity rate for the week was 21.5%. For the week July 4 to 10, we have confirmed cases being 79 persons, females being 39 and males being of course 49, and this age range is from 90 days to 92 years of age. And for that week, 10 persons recovered and 5 persons unfortunately passed away. We have a positivity rate for that week of 22.7%. So of course you can see there's a fluctuation over the past 2 weeks, but this is something that will be monitored going forward. So all you want to know, should you travel during this time? Now, before I answer that question, I wanted to give you guys the most recent update. The Minister of Health and Wellness notes the continued increase in COVID cases and urges the public to remain vigilant and take precautions. As at July 18th, 2023, Jamaica has recorded a total of 155,705 confirmed cases of COVID-19 and 3,588 deaths. The 227 COVID cases recorded in the past week represent a 290% increase over the previous week's figures. The week positivity rate is 22.7%. Yes, you can still travel. Onus is on you to just take the necessary precautions, because you know you don't want to catch COVID, especially in Jamaica. You don't want to catch COVID and then be caught here. If you want to do more research, you can. Guys, you're safe. You don't have to worry. You just come down and enjoy yourself in our little island. You know, it is a forever memorable experience. Just take the precautions, come to Jamaica, enjoy yourself, go back up, enjoy yourself. All right. Remember, guys, it's important to stay informed and stay safe. Let's all do our part to protect ourselves and our communities. And that's it for the update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest news. Stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.